I had the girl who they didn't go super late. Yeah. It's been too long. Especially in back-to-back 100 days. It's like, yeah.
In our house, like, that's a
Very cool. Well, good luck. Let's check out the helicopter. You guys want to sit up front? Yeah, of course.
Well, we have like.
So we've got our flight paramedic and flight nurse that'll sit in the back. And then you've got the patient on the litter. Do you want to sit up in the pilot seat? Alright, so just grab on here and here. And your left leg will go underneath the side. Well, thanks for showing up.
Yeah, this is awesome. So cool. Yeah.
It was awesome. Thanks for
Thanks for sending that text.
There we go. Oh, you got prize! Congratulations!
That's really good. And you're right.